For serious cleaning jobs where a regular electric pressure washer just won't cut it, you need the power available from a petrol motor, like the ToolPRO 2.6HP Petrol Pressure Washer. With its reliable 4-stroke engine, this pressure washer will give you trouble-free use, packs enough pressure for most extreme cleaning conditions, and best of all, is covered by a 12-month warranty. The compact motor pumps out a massive 2,200 psi output pressure, which makes cleaning driveways, decks, brickworks, patios and roofs a breeze. It can easily tackle car washing duties and will blast the grime off even the filthiest of 4-wheel drives. The ToolPRO Petrol Pressure Washer features a unique interchangeable nozzle design, allowing you to quickly switch between the included nozzles to adjust your spray pattern. The patterns range from a wide fan spray, suitable for lighter work such as cleaning decks and driveways, through to a 0-degree pencil spray for cutting through the most stubborn dirt and stains. There's also a low-pressure setting for applying suds and detergent. With a generous 5-metre hose, you'll be able to get into those hard-to-reach areas without needing to move the unit around too much. Although, moving the pressure washer around is super easy thanks to its light but sturdy frame and large diameter wheels. If you'd like to expand your cleaning capabilities, the ToolPRO 2.6HP Petrol Pressure Washer's Quick Connect system means that attaching additional ToolPRO nozzles is simple. There's a wide variety of specialised accessories available, such as the patio cleaner, which is great for taking care of wooden decks, bricks and concrete. The foam sprayer is great for applying a layer of your choice of car wash or cleaning solution. For more stubborn stains, the turbo nozzle really cranks up the blasting pressure. And the extension lance, helping you get a high pressure water stream into those hard to reach areas around the home. You don't need to struggle to get things cleaned anymore. Why settle for a quick squirt with your garden hose when you can blast the muck away with a ToolPRO Petrol Pressure Washer? Head to your local Supercheap or jump online and check it out today.